Want to personalize your Tesla beyond its sleek design? In this video, we'll show you how to customize your Tesla's lock sound, horn, and chimes. As of late 2025, Tesla's software updates have made it incredibly easy to add your unique touch to your EV's auditory feedback. We'll cover everything from using preset sounds to uploading your own custom MP3s. For custom sounds, requirements include files up to 5 seconds and under 1 megabytes. There are two primary ways to access sound customization in your Tesla: through the mobile app and directly on your vehicle's touchscreen. First, using the Tesla mobile app. Open the app and you'll see your vehicle's status, including charging information. Navigate to Vehicle, then Controls, and finally Sounds and Haptics to access the customization menu. Alternatively, access customization directly on your vehicle's touchscreen. The Boombox Settings menu shows various sound options. Go to Settings, select Sounds, and choose Lock Sound to modify your preferences. To access these features, ensure your Tesla is updated to at least version 12 for basic customization. The latest V13.5 release from October 2025 provides the most comprehensive options. Tesla provides a variety of preset sounds, including options like gentle whisper and classic horn, and themed sets like SpaceX Launch and Cyberpunk Synth. Browse the available options in the Sounds and Haptics menu in the app or the Lock Sound menu on the touchscreen. Simply tap the sound you want to preview it, then select it to apply it to your vehicle. To upload a custom sound for your Tesla, your MP3 file must be no more than 5 seconds long and under 1 megabyte in size. This ensures the sound loads quickly and doesn't consume excessive storage space. In the Tesla app, use the Custom Upload feature to select and upload your prepared MP3 file. Access this through the Vehicle Controls section. Custom uploads are restricted to verified Tesla accounts only. Your sound must comply with Tesla's content guidelines, prohibiting explicit or copyrighted material without permission. Tesla employs AI moderation to automatically flag and prevent inappropriate uploads. Beyond the lock sound, Tesla vehicles offer extensive customization for the horn and chimes. You can adjust the horn's volume and pitch through the vehicle's touchscreen or mobile app, allowing you to create a unique auditory signature that matches your preferences. The volume can be set from quiet to loud, while pitch adjustments change the frequency, measured in hertz, to make the horn sound higher or lower. For chimes and other feedback sounds, Tesla provides options to customize alerts for various actions, like seatbelt reminders or navigation prompts. Recent software updates have integrated Spotify, allowing you to sync your favorite songs or playlists as chimes. This creates a more personalized driving experience, turning routine sounds into enjoyable reminders. Experiment with these settings to find the perfect auditory profile for your Tesla. However, note that older models, such as pre-2020 Model S or X, might require hardware upgrades to access full customization features. Ensure your vehicle is updated to the latest firmware for the best experience. The trend towards EV personalization is growing rapidly, with Tesla leading the charge in customizable sounds. This surge reflects broader demand from younger buyers seeking smart integrations in their vehicles. Key trends include AI integration, where sounds can be generated based on your driving habits, adapting to create personalized audio experiences. Community-driven content is also rising, with user-generated sound libraries flourishing on platforms like Tesla's subreddit. There's also a sustainability focus, with low-volume options promoting quieter urban mobility. Moving to the future outlook, we can expect deeper AI integration, allowing sounds to adapt in real time to your driving style. VR and AR previews might allow you to experience sound selections in immersive environments before choosing. Partnerships with audio brands like Bose could bring premium sound packs to Tesla vehicles. However, challenges remain, including regulatory hurdles around noise standards and data privacy concerns as AI systems handle user-generated content. By 2030, experts predict 60% of EV owners will use such customizations. Real-world examples show the impact of Tesla sound customization. A Reddit user gained viral attention with a Star Wars lightsaber hum as their lock sound, which influenced Tesla to add similar sci-fi presets. Cybertruck owners embrace industrial-themed sounds that complement the vehicle's bold design, creating a distinctive driving experience. Custom sounds also enhance safety by improving recall for important actions like locking the vehicle, helping prevent security oversights. Experts praise Tesla's sound customization for empowering owners. Tesla CEO Elon Musk calls it fun and futuristic. Tech reviewer Joanna Stern describes it as a game changer for EV appeal. However, privacy expert Bruce Schneier notes potential data risks with custom uploads. Statistics show that 65% of Tesla owners customize at least one sound setting, with lock feedback being the most popular at 45%. User satisfaction improves with customized audio, showing a 25% reduction in frustration. Tesla leads the EV personalization market with 50% share. Enjoy personalizing your Tesla and making it truly yours.